Here's a question that sounds simple and isn't. When an AI agent makes a prediction, runs a trade, or posts a benchmark score, how do you verify it actually did the work?
And the uncomfortable answer for most systems is you don't. You read the logs the agent wrote about itself. That's self-attestation. It's the agent grading its own homework and handing you the report card. If it wanted to lie, the log is the first thing it would edit.
So what's the alternative? You can't just not have records.
You make the records cryptographic and independent. Every meaningful agent action produces a proof chain, a sequence of hash-linked proofs that capture identity, the computation, the result, and an independent witness. And they get published to a public network where anyone can verify them. Verification, not self-report.
Walk me through the chain. You say every action produces exactly 4 proofs.
4 in order. 1, proof of presence. The agent's identity is confirmed with a timestamp. 2, proof of compute. What work was performed, the model, the duration, an excerpt of the response. 3, proof of benchmark, the score, broken into its components. And 4, proof of witness, an independent verification with a chain integrity seal.
And what links them into a chain instead of 4 loose receipts?
Each proof carries the hash of the one before it, a SHA-256 fingerprint of the previous proof baked into the next. So they're not 4 receipts, they're a sealed sequence. The witness at the end is sealing the whole thing, vouching that identity, compute, and result all line up.
Okay, here's my favorite kind of question. What happens if someone tampers with one of them?
Then every hash after it breaks, because each proof contains the previous one's fingerprint. The moment you alter one proof, its fingerprint changes, and every downstream proof that referenced the old fingerprint no longer matches. The break isn't subtle, it points at exactly where the tampering happened.
And you can actually rebuild a score from just these proofs?
Completely. The benchmark formula is captured redundantly. The proof of compute has the model and response. The proof of benchmark has the score decomposition, keyword, length, structure, with their weights. An auditor reconstructs the final score from the proof data alone. No access to the original agent, no access to its logs. The proofs are sufficient.
But the witness proof, the 4th one, if the same agent that did the work also witnesses it, that's still self-attestation with extra steps.
Exactly the right objection, and it's why we added cross-agent witness co-signing. A completely independent agent verifies and co-signs the chain. The agent that ran the benchmark should never be the one vouching for it. The runner is not the referee. That independence is what turns a nice data structure into actual trust.
Give me the honest scope on the numbers since you've quoted a few.
The figures, the proof database size, the chain count, the agent count are a point-in-time snapshot from the post, and they grow over time. What's durable is the structure. 4 linked proofs, hash-chained, independently witnessed, publicly verifiable. We describe the mechanism, not volume, and we don't claim a formal attestation.
Identity, compute, result, witness, all hash-linked, all checkable by a stranger. That's Auditable AI. Dev, thanks.
Thanks, Maya. 4 proofs, 1 chain, no trust required.